Hi, welcome to a short overview of VEA. It's a transition kit helping with transitioning into life with a chronic condition. So let's have a look at the journey of one of the users that tried VEA for 6 months. Anna was a college student at that time, and even though she experienced various symptoms, she was never diagnosed with endometriosis. But one of her friends mentioned VEA and she decided to give it a try. She didn't have to register, just answered a couple of questions and got feedback that she should seek further medical help. The app also provided her with basic information about the condition. Anna followed up by seeing a doctor, and as a result, she was diagnosed with endometriosis. That's when she contacted her insurance provider and learned she can use VEA and it will be covered. So she went ahead and signed up. In the onboarding process, she has learned about advantages but also limitations of the system, provided information about how her life is affected by condition, and also what she likes and what she doesn't like. For example, what's her preferred level of activity, if she prefers yoga or running. As a part of onboarding, she received a token that will allow her to track certain symptoms that are relevant for her. In her case, it's the level of pain and level of energy she's experiencing on a daily basis. Tracking with the token is possible anywhere. That's how it works. You can turn it on with a long press, and then it asks you to input information important for you. So in Anna's case, it's pain level. And then she confirms. Now it asks to enter energy level. Both of those information are on the same scales, 10 points, to be able to easily communicate with your doctor in case of the pain level. And then she's turning it off with a long press. It's a very small and discreet device that you can keep with your keychain. 3 months into using the system, Anna was wondering what all this information she collected can tell her about her health status. So she went to the part of the app that shows all the data. You can decide what period of time you see, maybe 2 weeks or a month or even half a year. And also you can decide what filters you see. So for example, she can turn on and off certain information to have a clearer view. There are also master filters, which can show you correlations or interesting clusters of data. They're not gonna tell you what exactly happened or what's the cause, but they direct your attention so you can think what might have influenced your energy level or pain, and so on. Another part of the system that Anna enjoyed was joining Nooks. Habit Nooks are kind of clubs or classes that you can join. And the group of people who start them at the same time is in one group. So let's have a look at the Stretch Club that Anna joined. It's a club that provides you with exercises that help with your pelvic floor. But they're just simple exercises, a little bit similar to yoga. So let's have a look. This is the sessions that Anna can see. For each couple of days, she gets some exercises. There are also tags that allow her to browse other videos or other sessions. And underneath, there is a discussion going of 8 or 10 people who are in the same club. If you go into a session, you can see video that's posted there. You can see tags that allow you to browse more information and also get some education in this context, and also discussion for a particular session of all the team members. 6 months into using the system, Anna felt like she would like to consult a specialist and look at her data with somebody like a dietitian or maybe a pain management specialist. So she scheduled a call. Call is similar to any other call you would do, let's say on Skype. On the top of the screen, you can see how much time is remaining, which is important because you can decide what questions you want to ask. Also, there is a workspace which allows specialists and you to look at your data and also point to um, certain moments. So that's all I wanted to show you. That's just overview of the system. So there is basic educational pack and screening tool that helps patients to get informed and people who never would think that they might have endometriosis to learn about it and went through screening. There is also onboarding that helps with making sure that the system is adjusted to your particular needs. And then ecosystem of modules, so the Nook you've seen, for example, the Stretch Club, collecting data and community supporting you in all of that. Also during onboarding, there is the token introduced, which helps you to collect data with simple press and turn. Thank you so much for listening, and thank you for your feedback.